So now I'm going to talk about how you can actually share your notebook and other people can collaborate on the notebook. So say you've got a notebook going and you're planning a trip. Of course, if this you may want to share this notebook with whoever you're going on the trip with. So you could both add things, maybe find a web page or something cool to do where you're going. One person can add it, the other could comment. You see how that would be useful. So to do that, you just go to the notebook that you want to share and then go up here to sharing options. And then you've got this notebook is not currently shared, and you can invite collaborators. And it's pulling names straight from my Gmail account. So if you are using your Gmail account, this is just another handy feature. It's going to pull from your address book. You'll have to enter in the entire email if you're just using a Google account without Gmail. But so you just want to insert the email addresses of everybody you want to invite to collaborate. And then once they're invited, they can sign up for a Google account. They don't already have one. Or if they have one, they can see your notebook and they can do everything that you can do to it, edit it and everything. So that's how you share with particular people. You can also choose to make it public to the world. So if I hit yes right here on Publish This Notebook, you can see I get a URL address. So I could just send somebody this URL address and they could see my notebook. See, when I click on it, now I'm actually on it, and you can just see everything I've put in here. So this is like a read-only version of the notebook. Anyone who looks at this can't actually edit it. It's different than inviting a collaborator. But that's how you would publish to the world, and then they'll give you a unique URL that you can use to show it. You've also got a little box here to invite people to view it through email, and then your author's name, use thumbnailed images in the published notebook. And if you ever just want to unpublish it, just hit no and all those options go away. So those are the sharing options in Google Notebook.